bonnet.
Huh? Nah, I keep
my
it on.
bonnet gonna be wet.
Oh yeah, take it off. Take it off then.
Then my hair.
Uh-oh. Josiah, pick it up.
Here, wait.
Alright. On the count
Can
of
he
three.
pick it up?
On the count of three.
Do it fast, son.
Okay. 1.
B-O-S-E-M-A-N. B-O-S-E-M-A-N. Boseman.
What's going on, YouTube? So we're back again with another video. Hey, like I always say, before I get started, don't forget to hit that like, hit that subscribe button, and drop a comment below. What team are you on? Team Sean or Team Nicole? But nah, today is not going to be about a prank. Today, if you seen the title, if you seen the thumbnail, you see what it's about. We're going to have a challenge. We're going to try to eat 60 donuts today. Yes, a time limit. Actually, I haven't came up with a time limit yet. We guess we're gonna come up with that. You'll see it later on in the video. Once I talk to Nicole, everyone's in the house asleep, but I'm up early. Like I always say, I get up early. So right now, I'm gonna run the Krispy Kreme, and I'm gonna take y'all on this journey with me. When you're ready. Yeah, let me get So I made it back to the house. See, I got the donuts. Go in here, drop the jewel on there and let them know what we got going on. They don't even know anything about the challenge for today, really, to tell you the truth. So this is something new for them. But we'll see how this goes. Let's get it. What's up, gang? So we're back again with another video. Don't forget to hit that
like,
comment,
Share
and subscribe
button right now. We'll give you a second. Okay, we're here again with the Doughnut Challenge. Oh yeah, so what's up? Hey, we got how many,
Well, 24,
that's not
36, 48,
oh, that's not right.
60.
Somebody, no.
Supposed to be 60. Somebody and somebody
Josiah.
couldn't wait.
No, my daddy.
Somebody couldn't wait.
All right.
No.
But anyway,
I
so we're gonna get into this challenge. All right, y'all. We got Team,
Napoleon.
alright, and we got Team Sean and Josiah. Alright, so whatever. Y'all wanna get into this video? Y'all ready to get into this challenge?
For sure.
So
Y'all
what's
know
the-
y'all losing, right?
Alright, so the rules to the challenge. Who losing? Who
They
losing?
losing, right, darling?
Can you hear this? Who losing? Nah, ain't no way. Hey, anyway, you know we got this, eh? Huh? Okay. So the rules to the challenge, all right? Y'all ready for the rules?
The rules.
Okay,
Rule
the
number
rules.
1.
All right, we got what? 10 minutes. 10 minutes. Y'all hear that? 10 minutes.
That's a long time.
Just 10 minutes.
Just do 5 minutes.
How 5 minutes?
That'll make you.
No, 10.
So you want to cut it down to 5 minutes? Really, 5 minutes?
30 minutes.
No, that's too long.
Hey,
All right, 5 minutes.
listen.
Okay, let's rock, paper, scissors for it. 10.
I say
10.
5.
Okay.
And you say
I say
the
10.
best out of 3.
Okay.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. You cheated. You cheated.
Let's
That's
go.
an automatic
Y'all ready?
win for me.
Let's go. Come on.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Ooh!
Come on.
No, that was 2 already.
What?
The first one you cheated, so that's point number 6.
See, hey,
Here, one more time to make it fair.
Okay,
Let's
okay.
go. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
I ain't know what to do.
I won them.
All right, y'all won. So okay.
5 minutes.
5
minutes. That's all you get. 5 minutes. So little one,
Huh?
you gotta chew like you ain't never chewed before. Like,
Hey.
Like I did before.
they telling secrets. Let's tell secrets too.
Let's get it, baby.
Alright,
Alright,
so
anyway.
you got your timer?
Yeah, nope.
I got mine. I got my timer.
She's on the timer. She's on the timer. She's on the timer. Yeah, hey, hey, hey. Hey, hey, hey. Come on, come on, come on, come on.
Give me time.
We're gonna count down together. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, baby.
What I tell you? What I tell you? Like a sandwich. Like a sandwich. Oh, huh? Oh, that's too big. I gotta do one at a time. He's an eating machine.
These are very sweet, by the way.
Yeah.
Very sweet.
I really. Should I say that?
Very, very.
I don't really like Krispy Kreme.
You know?
I don't really care for Krispy Kreme because it tastes like sugar bread.
I love it.
But
It's
we gotta win this challenge.
I'm just hungry.
Fall in.
Come on, eat it, eat it. 42 seconds.
I'm having trouble with this first one.
Dad, you doing that? That's not gonna help you.
Hey, it's not gonna help me. Oh, we still gonna win. Look, you ain't took number one bite.
This is sugar bread.
I know what to do. I heard that.
Oh, this is hard.
Y'all finna leak it, lift
Good
it,
idea.
and eat it.
Let's do that. Hey, you drunk some of your drink?
1 minute, 30 seconds.
What? That's it? Dang.
You want to do 10 minutes.
So how your day been? How y'all day been? What y'all think about that y'all not going back to school, y'all doing it online? How y'all feel about that?
I hate it school.
Huh?
I hate online school.
What?
Online school, but e-learning.
Okay.
Best.
So what you saying? You would rather go back to school? To in class? Stay home? And do what? Huh?
Play games stuff.
Wait a game.
Man,
And do videos.
What?
Like that. With y'all.
yeah, it is. Yeah. So you.
But I want to do more challenges like this. Y'all playing was so bad. Y'all ain't finna eat y'all.
How many you done ate? That's just your one. Put it in your mouth. You eat cookies and stuff all day. Anyway, put the whole thing in there. We gotta hurry up. Look. It's 2:38.
Oh.
2:39, 2:40. Come on, let's eat. How many you done ate, Sean?
2.
What about you, Josiah?
Here's the second one. So we on 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 4.
We gotta catch up.
We should went to 10 minutes. Eat donuts to 10 minutes. We're not doing it with donuts. Hey, it's already starting to
We
So-
got 2 minutes, guys.
You're not
I'm having trouble, y'all.
Yeah, I'm
Let me
definitely.
take a break.
Oh,
Time's still going,
this
though.
one will wash down.
We up anyway. I think they on like 2.
You're good. I've already at 6. Well, at 5, but you're on the 8 or 31. This is easy.
So what kind of challenge would y'all like to see next? Let us know down in the comments, alright?
I got one.
Okay, what you think? What you think we should do next?
We have to slide the last one. We outside.
Who? Last leave outside.
It's only 4
Man,
minutes.
it's 115 degrees outside. You might... Man, we might try that though. Huh?
If this video get over 1,000 likes, we'll do it.
Yeah. Okay. You hear that? No, let's make that 2,000 likes. How about 2,000? If this video get 2,000 likes, we'll last one to leave off from outside wins the challenge.
In the daytime?
Yep.
In the daytime.
In 100-degree weather?
Okay, we'll top it off then. You get to pack your buddy bag for that day. So So like water and all that, we get to have that outside with us.
But still, in the sun or in the shade?
I guess in the garage.
You can go.
In the garage?
We have to be locked in the garage.
No, I hate it.
I mean the door, we had the doors up so
Like
it
a
won't
sweat
suffocate.
box.
We had the doors up so it won't like suffocate though, you know.
Even if the door is open, I'm gonna suffocate.
Yeah.
Cause I have bad breathing.
Well.
Oh, it's over 5 minutes. Stop. Stop.
Oh no.
Stop.
5 minutes. Alright, y'all. So that's the end of the challenge, y'all. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button.
You gotta say how many you ate. How many you ate?
I ate 4.
You ate 4 by yourself. You lying. You had 2. Just say how many you had. 2, 3.
Nah,
You
he
just
really
ate
did.
3.
He really did.
3 donuts.
I ate 3 donuts.
Tell
No,
the
you
truth.
didn't.
How many donuts did you eat?
So me and Josiah got what, 5?
Completely. 2. You ate like 1 3/4.
We got 5. And what y'all got?
I ate 1 1/2.
Alright, so y'all all.
So that was so. Y'all get
There you go. Brian come get a box of donuts. Y'all remember Brian, his brother-in-law?
Yeah. Free. I'm getting everything free. Anything free. I'm out here. Oh, snap. I'm gonna drop.
Don't drop
So we getting ready to
Don't drop that.
pour the water on the coal. It's island. Alright, y'all, so we here. We finna drop this ice on them. Okay, the losers, they getting the ice on them. Nah, wait. You ready? You ready to say?
No, I ain't doing it.
Huh?
I ain't doing
You
it.
ain't doing it.
You have to.
Solid, come sit down, man.
You have
Come
to.
on, man. You got to. You lost. Come on, it's for the people.
No,
Y'all see this?
No,
Since she already been a sore loser, let's get this. Y'all ready?
So that's gonna be no.
Alright, come on, let's go. Let's
Wait,
go.
do I need to take off my bonnet?
Huh? Nah, I keep
My
it on.
bonnet gonna be wet.
Oh yeah, take it off. Take it off then.
Then my hair.
Uh-oh. Josiah, pick it up.
Here, wait.
Alright. On the count
Can
of
he
3.
pick it up?
On the count of 3.
Do it fast, son.
Okay. 1,
For real? No,
2,
fall on my hand.
3. Alright, y'all, so we got them. I will catch y'all next time with another video. Zolin, what you think about that, Zolin? Huh? You was on the wrong team, buddy.
I can't wait to get you back. Do you hear me?
I'm telling you, it's prank
I can't
war.
wait.
Hey, you lose the challenge. Oh, Zolin got it. Josiah got him again. Look at her.
Your time is coming and I can't wait, son.
Alright. Hey, yo, so we'll catch y'all next time. Peace.
Boseman.